Start by dragging the ASCIIfy video component onto your page. Once it is in place, you're ready to begin editing. In the video option, you can add your video content. First, upload the video file, then select the video you'd like to use and click Select. Let's go ahead and click Publish to save, then enter the preview page. This makes it easier to see the animation effects as we make adjustments. Under the ASCII settings menu, you'll find the Output Width option. This lets you adjust the display resolution. At a value of 120, the converted result still looks a bit blurry. Let S switch it to 250. Then click Save. Now refresh the preview page. You can see that the animated result has become much clearer. There is also the max FPS option, which lets you adjust the frame rate to further improve the smoothness of the animation. In the color mode section, you can choose between monochrome and color. In monochrome mode, the animation is displayed using classic grayscale characters. You can customize both the text color and background color right in the style settings. Now switch to color mode, click Save, and refresh the preview page. You'll now see that the animation is displayed in full color.